Okay, so for the first 2 days of this SMHP conference, we devoted 2 days on type 1 diabetes. And our goal was to empower physicians and doctors and nutritionists and families and diabetics to have information that I wish I had when I had my diagnosis of type 1 diabetes, because my life really changed when I adopted the low-carb diet. And I've been talking to physicians and doctors since we ended this session on type 1 diabetes, and many told me that they learned more in 2 days than they have learned in their entire career on type 1 diabetes. So we're pretty proud of offering those videos for free for people to have access to this knowledge and to be able to share the knowledge to empower diabetics, because I think every type 1 diabetic on this planet deserves to have a better quality of life and deserve to have normal blood glucose numbers, because the quality of life changed everything in type 1 diabetics.